Hey, everybody!
Hi!
Hi, Gordo! What's up? Alright, guys. We just woke up. So, don't mind our eyes. And this guy, he has way too much energy all the time.
You know where we're going today? We're going to the beach.
To the beach, to the beach, to the beach. Giovanni's gonna be swimming like.
And Emily's hair. They're gonna go crazy.
And they get my hair. Zuri, she wakes up and she looks like a model every single time. But these guys, they wake up and their hair's all messy like Papa's. Alright, guys. So today, you nasty.
Excuse me.
She just burped. Alright, guys. So today we're gonna go to the beach, hang out with family and friends, and you guys are gonna see how badass my little baby is. He's gonna go in the deep with daddy.
He loves me in the water.
What do you think?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Well, first they're gonna get their hair cut because their hair is crazy. Well, his is alright, but I still want him to get a haircut because it's almost his birthday and I want him to look all handsome, like always.
He always looks handsome, but even more.
Even more. And this little girl, she needs to do her hair.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, we'll see you on the road.
Bye.
Alright. So we're at the beach now, and there's like a lot of construction going on, so it's like really packed. And yeah, hopefully we find parking. And Zuri's driving because, you know, I'm too crazy when it comes to a lot of people. So
I get too nervous.
yeah.
Oh, and a police behind me.
Right now some dude just like started flipping us off for no reason. We're like, okay.
It wasn't us, it was for someone else.
Yeah. Alright then, guys, we'll see you in the water. Alright, guys, so we're at the beach now. Not everyone's here yet, but we got my little pumpkin right here, Chris. We got Jose over here in the back. Right there. So Jose, woo! Avalancha. She's my cousin's best friend.
Who's right here?
Who are you, Damien? And my baby's feeding my other baby in the back. And with that big dude over there. My favorite cousin over there. And the best but not least, last but not least, my baby boy. Gordo! Giovanni! Piece of cheese! You guys want to go in the water? Gordo, you want to go in the water? Yeah? Alright, guys. Girl! So Giovanni's enjoying the water. And Mama's looking, ooh, she's so pretty. We're out here in Oceanside Beach just enjoying our Saturday day. Emily! You like the water, Mamash? Yeah? Uh-oh. Alright, what's up, guys? So, we just finished swimming, my boy and I. Girl, how was the swim? You liked it? Yeah? You had fun? We were all the way in the deep, and we had a lot of fun. Say what's up, Jennifer? This is my homie, Jennifer. She just likes to dance, and that's all she does. So, I need to hurry up this video, because she's trying to dance. This guy over here is my new homie, Cisco. What's up, Cisco? And this guy, Oscar. Oh, wait. Say what's up, guys. Alright, guys, so we had a lot of fun today in the beach. This is my fat cousin-in-law. He's a brother to me as well. So yeah, we had an amazing day. Stay tuned.